In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Yahoo Mail. So to do this, first you want to open your Yahoo Mail, and then there's two ways to do this. The first one's going to be to find the email from the sender you want to block. So for example, this one over here, which I just sent as an example, I'm actually going to go over here, hover over it, click on the three dots to click on more, and then you want to click on block sender. Now when you do this over here, it's going to, of course, show you the email again, and you can select what you want to block over here. I'm actually just going to block this and click on block. There we go. And that's the first way to do this. But then there's also one more way, which is to go to more at the bottom left and click on settings. Inside settings, go to security and privacy, and then here you can see blocked addresses. You can also go and click on add and type in the email address you want to block, click on save, and that's really all you have to do. Of course, you can then remove the blocked ones over here by clicking on this button as well, and that's really it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.